Just like you order an Amazon package and you know it will be delivered in 2 days, you can also train yourself to think that way about anything that you want to manifest. It is being delivered to me in 2 days, just like Amazon. You can literally experience life like that. You can make it so fresh and so fun and so freeing. Like, now that you're here, if you haven't done so already, I would love for you to come and join the free Discord community and also grab your free copy of the Manifest My Dream Life ebook. The link for both of those will be found in the description below. Other than that, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I am actually extremely excited to record this video. So last week, under one of my videos, I asked if you all could leave me some recommendations on something you would want me to make a video about, something you would want me to talk about. And somebody made a comment that I really loved. And the nature of their comment was to talk about things that you can manifest on your day to day. Just talk about manifesting things daily that are easy, that's simple, that makes it fun, right? They wanted to focus more on just fun manifestations. So as I was sitting there and I was thinking about it, I was like, okay, I love this idea because, yes, a lot of times, even with myself and maybe other creators included, we can just be so like passionate about, you have to do this, you have to stop doing this, and it can get a little serious. But manifestation is still, at the end of the day, meant to be fun because you're free. You have free will to do whatever you want. Like, we have lived life for so long with this veil over our eyes, in this box, in this bubble of all of the things we can't do, all of the limitations, and how nothing is possible for us except for the things that we can logically explain. And now we have the opportunity to experience an abundance of everything. Like, when you understand that you're a conscious creator, you literally have unlocked the keys to life. Like, you have unlocked freedom. In my opinion, you have unlocked freedom because nothing is off limits for you. Nothing is like not available for you. You can do any single thing. So yes, while those videos that remind you of your power are so important, it is important to also focus on the fun side of manifestation. So as I was sitting down thinking about it some more, I was like, okay, maybe I could come up with a list of some fun things that everyone can manifest, and that will be like a cool way to just focus on something different. Because I could sit here and tell you all day, okay, go manifest a lime green car or go manifest a butterfly. And yeah, it's going to happen, but how do I really make this fun? How do I really make this like a game? So keep watching the video and I'm going to tell you what the game is going to be. But let's just focus on why it's important for manifestation to still be fun. So first of all, you do not want to just wear yourself down, wear yourself out every single day stressing about, I have to manifest this thing, I have to stay in alignment, I have to repeat these affirmations, I have to follow this routine and do everything perfectly to get what I want. Because then sometimes that can make you feel very robotic, very just, I'm going through the motions to get this thing. And are you really enjoying life? Are you really enjoying the quality of life? So what I believe is, yes, whenever you have certain things that you have labeled as big manifestations or something that you have to work harder to get or you have to affirm longer to get, to experience, I feel like when you focus on smaller things, smaller things that we perceive as small, things that are just fun and random, it takes your attention off of the really big thing. It takes your attention off of stressing out every day about trying to manifest this thing and trying to do everything right. And it just relieves you of a lot of stuff. And what happens is, as you start to manifest those small things and you start manifesting these random things, it shows you how your thoughts really do create your reality. Because again, with the lime green car example, y'all probably have got to be tired of me in these lime green car examples, but it's like so many times y'all have wrote me, y'all have sent me pictures, y'all have told me that you see a lime green car after watching a video. And that it just shows you how simple manifestation is, how one thought, how something in your awareness that you're literally just neutral to, that you have not put emotional attachment to, you have not assigned resistance to it, you have not identified with a blockage with it, you literally are just neutral to this random thing and it shows up so effortlessly. But proving that to yourself, I feel like over and over and over again, helps you to build confidence. It shows you like you're really in control of all of this down to the finest detail. Like every detail that you see is created by you, created from your thoughts, created from your decisions, and all of that. So it boosts your confidence. I really do feel like it boosts your confidence because you really start to, you're able to keep track of what's going on. You're able to see, wait a minute, I really did decide on this thing and here it is in front of me. So naturally what happens is you shift into this higher state of being of yourself and you start to assume the identity that nothing is impossible for you. Okay, you start to assume the identity that, oh yeah, no matter what it is that I think about, I'm always going to get it. So playing a game this way with manifestation and manifesting random things and it actually showing up and you seeing physical proof and evidence of it just makes everything else so much easier. I intend that this makes sense, but to me it just makes things easier because now you have physical proof of random things. And the more important part to this is to not assume the identity that I can manifest the small stuff, but I can't manifest the big stuff. I can manifest the random stuff, but the stuff I really want doesn't manifest. If you are that person, okay, because I'm not speaking to everybody on this part. If you are that person and you know who you are, I want you to create an affirmation, especially if you're going to play this game. I want you to create an affirmation that implies you can manifest anything. It doesn't matter how big or how small it is. You can manifest anything you decide on. Okay? There's no limits to what you can manifest. You actually manifest the bigger things way faster and way easier. If that's what you need to tell yourself, tell it to yourself. I just want you to remember that the point of this is to make manifestation fun because, yes, although it is super important to stay in alignment and keep your thoughts in check and not waver and not dwell, yes, all of that stuff is very important. But at the same time, don't you want to have fun in life? Don't you want to enjoy life? Don't you want to wake up every day and feel so fresh and so free and just know that everything that you desire is literally on its way to you? Like, just like you order an Amazon package and you know it will be delivered in 2 days, you can also train yourself to think that way about anything that you want to manifest. It is being delivered to me in 2 days, just like Amazon. You can literally experience life like that. You can make it so fresh and so fun and so freeing. Like when you free yourself from the chains of, I have to be perfect, I have to do everything correctly, I have to focus, and trying to pick apart all the reasons why you may not have your manifestation yet. You can just focus on something a lot simpler, a lot lighter, so much easier. And it just gives you like this breath of fresh air. It gives you a break. Have fun because remember when we were kids, like life was super fun. We used our imagination, we played, we made magnificent things out of nothing. Like I know y'all played with Play-Doh and made some really fantastic things, or you drew pictures, or you just put stuff together that nobody would have ever even thought to do. Like as a child, I can guarantee a lot of us were extremely creative. Get back into that creative bag. Like get back into being that creative being that you are. Use your imagination. Have fun. Play more. Do things that make you laugh. Like I'm not saying you have to do this to manifest because it's all dependent on you and what you're deciding on. I'm just coming from different perspectives for you all, giving you different angles, giving you different ways of thinking, different perspectives essentially. So if it resonates, definitely take it, definitely use it. But for this video, I want everything to be fun. I want it to be light. I don't want you to feel like there's so much work you have to do. Just have fun. So how else can you have fun other than playing a game? So, of course, it's really common to have like 7-day challenges. And I was really about to do another 7-day challenge video where I give you a list of things and let's all randomly manifest these things off of this list together and check back in 7 days and see how it goes. But instead, as I was thinking, my creative juices were flowing and I was like, what about a manifestation bingo? Now, y'all hear me out because I personally feel like this is a really good idea. So at the time of me recording this video, I literally was just sitting on the couch and had this idea and I got so excited I got up to come record the video. So I have not made the bingo card yet, but because you're going to see this video after everything, I'm going to go ahead and put a picture of the bingo card up on the screen. So how this is going to work is you see there are different squares, and inside of all of the different squares, there are different things that you can manifest for this bingo game. What I want you to do is I want you to pick 5 different things from whatever line that you want, and I want you to manifest those and get a bingo. Again, remember, this is not to stress yourself out. You can affirm, you can do whatever technique, you can do whatever makes you happy, because this will also kind of show you what's your best manifestation technique, what's your best method, what is the thing that works the best for you. Because if you literally think about something and it pops up, or you go script about it and it pops up, that might be your preferred manifestation method. I just want you all to have fun with this and get a bingo. If you want to download this bingo card, I need you to come and join the free Discord community. The link is in the description, because I will have a PDF download, so that way you can keep it on your phone. And if you have an iPhone, which I'm sure Android probably has this option too, but you will be able to mark off everything. And once you get a bingo, I would absolutely love for you all to share it in the Discord community. And depending on how well this goes, I may do the bingo card again and offer some free services or discounts or something of that nature. So I got to ponder on that idea a little bit, because I literally just had it and recorded a video because I was overwhelmed with excitement for it, because I love games. I love having fun. Like, I'm a big kid. Like, I love all the fun stuff. So I think this is going to be really fun. And I'm actually going to participate in this one with you all. If y'all like this idea, please let me know in the comments. If you're excited about it, please let me know that you're going to join. Definitely come into the Discord so you can get the PDF download of the bingo game. And we have to have like a set amount of time. So I feel like within 7 days. Let's check 7 days from the day of this video. Let's just check in 7 days, and let's just see where everybody's at. What did anybody bingo? And we can maybe even go until we black out the card. I don't know yet, y'all. Like, I'm still, developing all of this. But for now, let's just do as if it was a 7-day challenge, but let's play the 7-day bingo game, okay? Manifestation bingo for the next 7 days. Mark it off, share everything with us in the Discord community. Other than that, if you need any assistance or guidance with your manifestations, I would love to help you. I do offer phone and email coaching, and I also have group coaching through YouTube and Patreon. The link is in the description below. I also created a consistency workshop that is specifically designed to help you show up for 30 days consistently as the version of yourself who has what they want. So you have different reflections, journal prompts, activities, and nothing's going to take you more than like 15 minutes to do. There's videos from me in there. It's a lot of good stuff, good content. Everything unlocks one day at a time, but once everything is completely unlocked, you have free will to go back and do whatever you want to do within the workshop. So if you're interested in something like that, please look in the description below. If you watch this video until the end, I appreciate you so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, so if you're still here, I have a little secret for you. So first of all, backstory. I was randomly watching a video on YouTube, and it was a lady who was drawing. She was painting. I will have to go back and find her page, her channel, and I will link it in the description below in case you all are like artists or painters, or you're just interested to see. But I was watching her video, and I ended up seeing, like, because I watched it all the way through, and I ended up seeing she had like this secret society club, and I absolutely loved it. Like, I loved the idea. She basically had like this secret society where she randomly will post something within her video, and I guess it's like a secret chat or a secret conversation that she has with her viewers. I watched like maybe 2 other videos of hers, and she did it in her videos on those too. And I was so intrigued by it, and I thought it was a brilliant idea. And then it led me to thinking, could I do this with my own videos too? At the same time, after I was watching those videos, I was also watching like Pixar conspiracy theories, and how people were taking the Easter eggs from these movies and putting them together in a compilation of how this theory plays out. And I just get creative, and my thoughts get to turning, and I'm always wanting to try new things. Like, I can be really spontaneous and sporadic sometimes and just do random shit. So here's one of my random things that I love to do. what I decided was, I want to know who all watches my videos all the way to the end. And whoever watches my video all the way to the end, I'm going to leave an Easter egg for them. But you all will also be the first ones to know that I really am thinking about adding these into all of my videos, but not at the very end, just periodically throughout the video. And only one time, though, not periodically, just one time throughout the video, but it'll let me know who doesn't skip through or who's actually like watching the video all the way through. I mean, I'm just curious to see, but I also feel like it's going to be really cool because I want to be able to drop like some type of really good gem or some type of really good insight, just something that's really fun, but also rewarding because you watch the video all the way through. Like, I appreciate you all just for even clicking on my content to begin with. But for those of you who like legit watch my videos all the way to the end, like, I thoroughly appreciate you all, like, seriously. So, for this one, for this Easter egg, I want you to leave a comment down below and I want you to say, I manifested it like magic. You can put the butterfly emoji, you can put the little glitter emoji or whatever, but I want you to say, I manifested it like magic. And that's going to allow me to know that you watched this to the end, okay? We don't have to say anything about the Easter egg. You don't have to mention anything about make sure you watch the video to the end because it's kind of like our little secret. Like, it's our little secret, but you're going to know the reason why I have the artist pinned in the comments below so that way you can see, or not pinned in the comments, but in the description. You're going to know why I have her pinned in the description so that way you can go and watch her video and see how she did it. Like, I don't want to copy her, but I really love the idea, so I'm just going to try it out and see. So, go ahead and leave that comment down below. I'm definitely going to be responding to each and every single one of you. And I even feel like you can make this just like a little exercise. Before you comment, think of something that you are wanting to manifest. Think of something that you've been wanting to manifest. And I don't know, you just feel like there's something in between you and that thing, or, there's just like it's just something, right? I want you to sit down and really just think about having it right now, whether you visualize it or you just telling yourself you have it right now. If you go and look up like another YouTube video or Pinterest that has visuals, especially if you're not able to visualize, look up something that has visuals and that implies that you have that thing. Like, it could be you wanting to go on vacation, you wanting to buy a car, you wanting a specific body type. And if you can't visualize yourself having it, pull up some type of imagery on your phone or your computer that symbolizes that thing and really just kind of bask in that for a little bit. Like, sit there and tell yourself that for about 5 minutes, like, oh, I have this thing. I have this thing, right? Embody that just for that moment and then go ahead and comment that like it's done. I manifested it like magic. It's done. Cool. And then go off to live your life and allow the magic to work and allow it to come into your reality, okay? So if you made it this far, I love you all so much and I'll see you in the next video.